Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see after installing the DODI Repack games. As you can see, I tried to delete the game guys, but it's can't be deletable. And to fix this, just need to go to search menu and type resource monitor. Can't open it. In search handles, you just need to type the folder name guys. My folder name is Need for Speed Heat. After typing it, press enter to search it. And select this refresh icon to refresh the page. You just need to wait for 1 minute guys, and this will pop up like this. All you have to do is just end process everything listed, just one by one. You just need to, this will take a little bit more time to end process one by one. As you can see, next end process is grayed out. You just need to wait this process to end. As you can see, after 1 minute, I got and processed that things, and again doing the same thing for others. Right click and select end process and select end process again, and you just need to wait for 1 minute, guys, to do the to end these process. And now after 1 minute, it actually end process everything. And just close stuff here. Now you can able to delete this folder, guys. As you can see. Same thing, you can actually empty the recycle bin, and that's all you have to do it guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.